Alright folks, welcome back to Nick's Fishing Adventures. Today, we're taking the new boat out on the water for the first time. Let's go. Okay folks, we're finally in the water.
I gotta learn how to steer. It's even shaky.
Well folks, we're out here. It's pretty stable. Like, it's really nice. First fish in the new boat. Yes sir. There we go folks. Yes sir. Little largemouth right there on the Ned rig. First fish of the new boat. Let's go. Look at that guy. Thanks, buddy.
Nice.
What is this thing? Second fish of the new boat. Oh, big old bluegill. Huge bluegill. Oh, wow. Look at that guy.
Oh,
He's huge. Come here, buddy. I don't know if I can boat flip him with this tiny little 8-pound line. Yes, sir. Look at that big old... Look at that big guy. Look at him. He's a stud. Hey, we could put him in the live well. Alright folks, first time using the live well. Look at that folks. Gravity fed. That is awesome. I think it's a green sunfish bluegill hybrid.
ah.
Yes sir! Folks, here's the real test, the stability. We're gonna stand up. You know what? Even if I rock it, it's not that bad. It's doable. Oh, look at that cast. Come on, now I just gotta catch a fish. Yeah, not bad at all. Oh, there he is. No way. Yes, sir. No. He got off.
Is he over here?
Yeah, he's over there. That's tragic. Finally, we're hooked up. I can't catch a fish on the jig, bro.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn this around. We go a lot faster, so. I'm gonna swing it to the left of him so I can get on camera. I also did another thing. I changed the resolution of my videos because I have this issue where it says on my phone, I can't put it on my phone because the resolution's too high. So I changed it. So hopefully that'll be good.
Oh, I don't know where they're at. Oh, they're there. I knew it was bound to happen. Threw my jig off.
Oh no.
It was bound to happen. Let's get it. Yeah. I need to get one good cast though so I can get all this. I just threw that one off too. You're kidding me. You are kidding me. Well, this bait caster's being retired for the night. Alright. Alright then, well, we got this Lucky Craft crankbait on here. I guess we'll try this. Go right out here. See if we can get him on this crankbait. Good cast. Right to him. Instant! Yes, sir! That was absolutely crazy, dude. Look at that. Yes, sir. Boat flip. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. All right, folks, we got him unhooked. Little bass. Thanks for biting, buddy. See you later. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice little
There it
bass.
is. Yes, sir. Mom, your first fish in the new boat.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. I'm sorry about that. Yeah,
Good
very
job.
first one. Look at there. Gotta kiss him. Thanks, buddy.
Hey, what we got here? Got this beetle spin on here on the light pole.
His brother. Corey's brother.
Corey's brother. Oh, bass.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's cousin.
Yeah, his cousin. Oh, come on. But flip. Yes, sir. Look at that hook set, too. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Thanks, buddy. See you later. Finally gonna let this little fish go. It's like a bluegill green sunfish hybrid. It's a big old fish. Thanks, buddy. See you. Oh, he's still right there. Go, buddy. See ya. All right, folks. Well, we had a good, successful day of fishing out on the water. First time taking the old boat out. Still got to name her. And overall, I'd give it like a solid 8 out of 10. It was sturdy as ever. I could like move around, stand up. It was great. Good room. Even a live well. It's a great boat. I definitely recommend it. Look at that thing. Good looking rig right there. Yes, sir. Well, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. We've had quite a day. We got the boat all hooked up, ready to go. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Comment down below what you think we should do this boat next. We already got the trolling motor rewired. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all later.